Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. I have a shopping haul to share with y'all, and I went to a few stores, got some pretty nice things. So I'm going to start off with Ross, and I picked up these decorative pillows. I picked up two of them for my bedroom. They are size 12 by 20 and they were $12.99 each. I did pick up some dishwashing liquid from Ross, and this is a pretty good brand. It's the Method. I always see this at Target, but at Ross they had it for $3.49 each. And also this Clorox Sentiva brand. Now I didn't know that they had dishwashing liquid in that brand. I always see the hand soap and other cleaning items, but I've never saw the dish detergent. For my closets, I did pick up two of the air fresheners. They were $2.49 each. I did pick up this knife set. It is 14 pieces. It's by the Martha Stewart collection, and it was only $49.99. Summer is coming up, so I did order this Hawaiian ice machine, and I did make my nephew and my granddaughter a few ice cones, so they really liked it. Now this one came with, you can see the three different flavors: the grape, the cherry, and blue raspberry. And also it has the little tops that you put onto the different flavors. It came with the straws and also the cones and two of these cups. So this is how you use it. You fill the ice up. I put mine in the little cups that came with it, and you just lift the top up and you just put your ice in there. Now before you pour it into there, when you get your ice, let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Let it melt down some, and then you can press the top like I'm doing, and there you have it. I will link the Hawaiian ice machine in the description box. So I got a few things from Home Goods. It's not a lot, but just a little something. So I did get these florals. And this floral bunch here was $14.99. So it's a real pretty pink color. And then this floral bunch, I don't know why y'all, but it was only $9.99. And I did pick up two of them. So I'm thinking they were different prices because of the color. And also I did pick up this planter vase. This was $19.99. From Bill's Outlet, I did pick up this tea bag organizer for $9.99. And also I picked up these two organizers. These are for my cooking pots for the lids. And you just put the lids in there because I am about to reorganize under my cabinets in my kitchen. So I needed these badly. So I'm just going to put the tea bags in here. And I'm glad I got these because I needed them. I did have some tea bags in the drawer, in my pantry, and also in a canister. Now I have all my tea bags together in one place. All right, so I am back. I had stepped out for a minute, and purchase some stuff. I went to Walmart, Burlington, and this is what I got from Walmart. This vase, it was I think it was $16.46, and picked up one floral stem. Okay, that's a peony. So yeah, because I am going to do an arrangement with the florals that you saw from Home Goods, and I'm going to use this vase. So I do have another vase, like 2 more vases I'm thinking about using. And I picked up some canola oil. Okay, so I got 2 bottles of canola oil. And y'all already know, look, I got some chicken. Now, I got some chicken wings. This was $16.87, right? And also, now I'm gonna cook that tomorrow with some French fries, okay? So I got a bag of fries, and I got 2 of the small packs of drumsticks. These were $5.76. Well, this one $5.76 and this one $5.53. So I did get 2 packs of the drumsticks. So I'm gonna make that tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make it with, because let's slide this over. I got, okay, let me show you this. I got 3, I don't know if y'all like these, but I always buy these. They do have the rice. So I love these. Just a quick little side dish. These are like $1 something. They used to be $1, but y'all know everything done went up. But these used to be $1, but now they're like $1 something. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I got. I got 4 packs of, the lemon pepper seasoning, right? Okay, because I was looking for the ranch, but I guess they're out of the ranch. Okay, so I did get the garlic parmesan season mix. I really wanted that ranch though, so I'll probably have to go online and order the ranch, but that's what I got. And I got me a can opener. So, and I think, is that it? Yeah, that is it. So y'all, that is the end of my haul, and I will see y'all in the next video. Yeah, the next video is going to be my floral arrangement, so I will show y'all that. And also, I know I haven't been active on TikTok because I just been busy, but yeah, I have to get back into TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, please follow me on TikTok. I will post the information in the description box, along with any other information that I have, any links that I have. Everything will be in the description box, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.